Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series of Blockchain Security. Myself M.Naveenraj, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE IoT. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Consortium Blockchain. Okay, so this is one of the types of blockchain that we are going to discuss today. Consortium blockchain is a permissioned and semi-centralized, decentralized distributed ledger system where multiple trusted organizations collaboratively manage, validate and control the blockchain network. So this is the wonder of the Consortium blockchain. It combines decentralization like public blockchain, control and privacy like private blockchains. Hence, it is often called as a hybrid blockchain model. This Consortium blockchain is also called as hybrid blockchain model. Okay, so let's discuss about the architecture in detail. Okay, the Consortium blockchain follows a layered architecture. Okay, first layer will be your network layer. So which network layer connects all the participating organizations together. Okay, it uses peer-to-peer communications. For example, let's bank connected in one secure network, right? Like that. So this architecture, this blockchain, Consortium blockchain will follow layered architecture. Second layer will be your node layer, that is participants. Each organization runs on node. Each organization runs a node, validating node, endorser node, observer node. So the two types are basic and full node and light node. Okay, this full node helps to stores entire ledger. Okay, the light node which is useful for partial data. So out of the various layers, so second layer, this node layer is over. First one is a network layer. Then third one is a data layer. This is a ledger test structure. This distributed ledger shared among members, various members who are all participating in the blockchain. It contains transactions, blocks, hash links. Okay, then which is immutable, that is it cannot be changed. Okay. So next one is, that is fourth layer will be your consensus layer. What is the consensus layer? We all know about the consensus mechanism from, but what happens in the consensus layer is define how nodes agree on transactions. That is very important here, right? Because somebody thinks runs a node. Okay, the common algorithms used here is practical Byzantine and fault tolerance, PBFT, RAFT, proof of authority, faster than POW, that is used in public blockchain. So this is what the enhancement of this hybrid, that is Consortium blockchain here, which is very faster than POW. Okay, PBFT, RAFT and proof of authorities are all faster than the POW. Okay, but this POW is used in the public blockchain. Next layer will be a smart contract layer. Okay, it automates business logic, executes rules automatically. If payment receives, it releases goods. That's all. Okay, application layer. Next one is application layer. This end users applications like dashboards, portals, etc. For example, banking app, supply chain tracking systems. So this is what the final layer of this Consortium blockchain. Okay, the next is working mechanism. Okay, let's move on to working mechanism of this Consortium blockchain. First, the step one is network formation. What is network formation? These organizations agree to form the consortium, that is called network formation. This governance rules will be defined here. Okay, next step 2 is node setup. Once the network is formed, then the node will be set up here. This each organization deploys node, access, permissions assigned. Okay, next thing is transaction initiation. The user submit the transaction, examples bank transfer. Okay, the fourth step is transaction endorsement. Selected nodes that validate transaction. Smart contract checks rules. Next, fifth step is consensus process. These nodes agree to agree on validity. the consensus algorithms are applied here. So next to fifth step is over. Now we will move to next sixth step, which is block creation. Here the valid transactions grouped into one block. Okay, that is block created. Step 7 will be a block distribution. So the block added to the ledger, it updates across all the nodes. Okay, then final confirmation will be transaction becomes immutable. Okay, this governance model, that's Consortium blockchain, introduces shared governance, that is decision making or access control or rules, everything will be shared. Okay, here. So the decision making, so voting system among organizations, the access control, who can read or write, the rules like defined by consortium agreement. So these are all 5 banks, that is majority need to be approve changes. Okay, next is key features